I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. So today I'm going to be reviewing one of my absolute favorite units. This is one that I reviewed in the blonde color, and today I'm going to be doing it in the color F1B30. So this is the Zury Sis Jill. It is a 360 lace free part wig, and I am really a big fan of this unit. So much so that I decided to pick it up in a darker color. So let me just show you what the stock card looks like. So when I initially reviewed this unit, it was in the 2730 color, which was absolutely beautiful, but I just wanted to see what it would look like in more of a natural color because they did a really good job with the construction. I really liked the texture of it. I really liked the fact that it came with baby hairs, the fact that the parting was so easy to manipulate, and it just looks so natural. So let's see what it looks like in this darker color. So straight out of the box, this is what Miss Zury Sis Jill looks like. And I misspoke about the color. It is actually FS1B30, not F1B30. So I do like the way that they scattered the blonde. They weren't stingy with it, which I feel like a lot of F1B30s are. But maybe the FS1B30 is one that sort of more freely scatters the blonde versus just tints here and there. So the length, really nice. The density, really nice. Let me just show you what it looks like in the front. So it does come with baby hairs around the crown. The hairline looks very nice. It comes with lace in the back as well. It's not a full 360 because of course the lace would go all the way around, but it does have that 13x4 lace in the front and then also the lace in the back. It has two combs near the ears, one comb in the back, and of course your adjustable straps. So let me just pop this on and show you what it looks like. Okay, you guys, so as I just showed you, for me, the best part about it is the fact that it's so versatile and the fact that it looks very natural. And you're easily able to do all these different styles without getting any tangling, any shedding. Like, I'm not lying when I'm telling you this definitely like is a human hair dupe for sure. It feels like it's coming out of my scalp. I don't feel any wefts or anything like that. It's very secure to my head. The baby hairs were pretty easy to lay down. And I love just running my hands through it. Like, it's beautiful. Like, I feel like I'm about to go do a Brazilian photo shoot or something like that. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, so let me just give you a length check. So this is everything to the front. And it comes right below my boobs. This is honestly one I wouldn't even cut to try to give it more natural look, because I feel like it already has that since it's pretty full at the top. It gets kind of thinner at the bottom. The density is just beautiful. Like, I'm telling you, I really do love this unit. So this is to the side. And this is everything to the back. So once again, I don't have anything bad to say about this unit. I feel like you can honestly just slap this on and go. You could just wear it straight down right out of the pack. Just throw yourself apart. Don't throw yourself apart. Lay the baby hairs or don't lay the baby hairs. Like, there's just so many different things that you can do with this without needing to put all that extra work into it. And that's what we're looking for, right? So, I mean, I definitely would recommend this. Clearly, I've already bought it twice. I probably will pick it up again. It keeps selling out, so I'm telling you, do yourself a favor and pick this one up, because this is 100% worth the bang for your buck. I love the texture a lot. It feels like Yaki Texture, that like you just got your hair blown out. Like, I just feel like I stepped out of the salon. Like, who are you? You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you liked this video. I hope you really liked this unit as much as I did, and I hope to see you again. Bye.